What's up, guys? I want to do a quick weekly analysis here for the upcoming for today and what to expect for this whole week. So, oh, I didn't share my screen. I'm sorry about that. Let me share my screen here. All right, so all I want to show you guys is just the weekly chart and where the predictions for what I see, where the DXY is going, where gold is going, where New Zealand, Australia, Euro, the pound, USD JPY, USD CAD, and USD Swiss franc. And I know I have a lot other pairs and crypto on the watch list here for TradingView, but I just want to run through the eight pairs that I always look at and the 8 pairs that I always trade. So, like I said, first and foremost is the most important thing is where the US dollar is headed. We do have some very important events that are coming up for Wednesday and Thursday, but the key event is Wednesday. And so I'm gonna, let's see, I don't want to do this. Let's run through the economic calendar here. And this is on the MyFX book economic calendar. If you are new and you're new to my channel, I would highly suggest looking at some of these Forex websites, especially Forex Factory here, fxstreet.com, and investing.com. If you click on news, financial news, and click on Forex, bam, right here, Forex news. This is awesome right here. And it also lists indices, commodities, Forex, and crypto. And they do have cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency news as well. So I'm going to do a little update on crypto as well. I haven't talked about crypto in a while. Crypto has just been ranging around. But like I said, where the DXY is projected, I mean, you can clearly see the engulfing bearish candle here. And what I'm looking for is to be another bear candle going down to test to break the 93.5 and come even lower to 93. Okay. What I'm seeing right now is a downtrend coming up for the long term for the US dollar. That's what I see right here based on the DXY. Now, I want you guys to understand that not every pair is going to correlate with the US dollar. Every pair, like Euro, well, let's talk about the pound. Pound has its own Brexit deal and unexpected events with the Brexit talks anyways with the European Union. So the pound has been on its own movement. And you gotta be very careful because the pound hasn't been really correlating with Euro USD anyways. So you gotta be very careful. You gotta be, I don't want to say this, you gotta be very precise when you're trading the pound. And I know they're trying to leave the European Union as quick as possible. So we'll see if they have a deal coming up. Because if they do have a deal, guess what? The pound's gonna go up. If they strike the no deal, then you know what's gonna happen. So doesn't matter. There has to be some kind of negotiation with the UK and the EU. So that's another unexpected event that deals with the pound a lot, and you just have to be prepared where things are going to go. But like I said, I'm expecting the next candle to bear down for the DXY, and then for gold. What I was expecting to close above 1200, but they shot it down. DXY picked up its feet back up again on Friday, and so gold went all the way back down. Now, I'm expecting gold to pick back up from here and try and target to close 1210 or at least above 1200, so that we can spark up the uptrend here. So this is on the weekly, and like I said, we're on the last week of September, so you gotta be very precise and very alert on the markets that are coming up for this upcoming week here. Let's say in New Zealand. New Zealand's been pretty strong. You can see that this is a pretty strong bullish engulfing candle here on the weekly, closing out like this, and I'm expecting to bully back up. And what I'm looking for is to target 68 here. Break 68 and then come target 69 cents. So we'll see where it goes from there. But that would be my two initial targets on the weekly. And that's like a long-term swing. So let's see here. Australia, I'm expecting the Australian dollar to come target and close above 73 cents. And then the initial target would be to close 74 cents here to break all the structure here. Euro, I'm expecting Euro to come and hit 118 here and close above 118. Once it closes above 118 and closes above this line of resistance here, then I'm looking for it to come long term to 123.5, 124. That's it. That's my next line of resistance based on the weekly chart. So this is very important if you're looking at the weekly chart right now and you're looking to prepare for the next weekly candle. Where is the next weekly candle going to go? Now I know the pound was struggling, and the pound did a major dip going back down. I mean, this is a pretty strong. What was it? Not a bullish pin, but a bearish pin. This pin bar here. And it's tough because then it makes you want to sell it. And yes, it is going to be a sell, but eventually once they announce that some kind of special deal is coming on, they're gonna rally up the pound out of nowhere. What's up, girl? Dad's doing a video. What's up? What you need? Come here. Come here, girl. Mommy's coming home. All right. So something like this, it gets very, very tricky based on the weekly structure. Because for here, I would sell it because then it's not coming back to target. It didn't come back. It didn't close above 132, and that the wick is so strong that the bears are pushing it down. But you gotta be very careful where the pound's going. So that's why I say you gotta pay attention to the Brexit headlines. USD JPY is very, very bullish, and like I said, it's been stuck here for so long. This was the initial push, and then we got the second push. This candle that closed here is already above these two previous candles. So guess what? We are looking for it to target 113, previous 113.5, and then maybe come target 114, and we'll see where it goes from there. After 114, I mean, this is the structure that really needs to break through, pass, and then come target 115 if it wants to target 115. Okay, the price that I'm looking for it to close is this previous price right here, and this was the wick that made it shot all the way back down. So very important to last year's price that you have to pay attention to. What else? USD CAD. I see a strong sell for USD CAD. Like I said, resistance, first bear candle, second bear candle. Expecting another bear candle to come target 128 and then come target 126. That's it. And then from there, what else do I got? 123, 128, 126, 123. And if you look at the monthly chart, it's gonna be different. So this is the monthly chart for USD CAD, but I'm just trying to show you guys the weekly chart and how I analyze this. Strong sell for USD Swiss franc. I don't see USD Swiss franc coming back anytime soon. It is going to try and pull itself back up for the first couple of days, and that's why I'm talking about the economic calendar. So I expect another bear candle for USD Swiss franc for it to come back. Where is it? 94 cents, and then the 92.5 here. So I want to talk about Wednesday and highlight this because it is very important. The most important event out of Wednesday or this week is the, well, how do I want to say this? Basically all the Fed talk. FOMC projections, Powell is speaking, the monetary policy statement, interest rate decision, and the press conference. So I just want to let you guys know right ahead that they're going to drive the dollar up for Monday and Tuesday. If that's the case, then we sell it for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay? That's my pattern, that's my structure, and that's the way I look at it. So those of you that have been following me and that subscribed to me and it's been a member, I mean, I'm telling you, this is how I look at it. If they're gonna drive it up for the first 2 days, especially for the dollar, then for the Fed, we're gonna shoot this thing down. We're gonna shoot the dollar down. We're gonna sell it. We're gonna short it. So just a quick heads up on how to be prepared for this. So I'm making this video so that you guys don't have to ask me a bunch of questions and say, well, what we're doing for the Fed meeting. So I'm really letting you know. If they drive, like I said, if they're going to drive the U.S. dollar tonight, Monday, Tuesday, then we're going to short that thing. We're going to short the dollar Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's how I anticipate it, and that's how I look at the outcome. Okay. Thursday, another set of high impact news for the US dollar. Well, I don't really care about this one, okay? This will be the main driving factor for the US dollar and for the US economy. And then Friday, what else we got? I don't care about the member's speech. But if I were to just take out medium news out here, okay, I'm gonna take out medium news. And we just do high impact news, right? Notice that Wednesday and Thursday has the most high impact news. And guess where all the high impact news is being dealt with for this week? US. So guess what was the most important session for this week? New York. So I'm not going to try and complicate this, but New York sessions, we're going to be prepared for scalping like crazy. Okay? I'm going to be looking at all the charts as much as possible. What pair is going to make the most money when we're scalping? Okay? And so I got to be very, very careful on entering in and exiting. But the most important thing is entering in at the timing out the entries coming in. So other than that, like I said, be prepared because it will be a really, really volatile week. We are coming into the last week of September, and this will start the kickoff for the next month. So we have to be prepared for the month of October. And you gotta remember that. So other than that, like I said, I don't want to confuse anybody what to expect for tonight and up until the Fed talking. So, oh, she's asleep. So, so like I said, anyways, if you are confused, especially you're on Telegram, let me know. That way we can figure something out. But like I said, I want to eliminate the confusion. So make a quick, like I said, this is a quick weekly analysis video here. All right, now enjoy your weekend, guys.